Welcome once again. From index number chapter we have discussed price relative method and simple aggregate method we have discussed in our previous one video. In today's video we will having a question which is so many times repeatedly in examinations I have seen. That question is related with the price relative method. The question is like this, that the taking average price as a base, find the index number for the 3 years. We have given the data of 2022, 2023 and 2024 commodities A, B and C. The rate per rupees is given. It means that product in 1 rupees we are having 4 kg, in 1 rupees we are having 2 kg B product, in 1 rupees 1 kg, in 1 rupees 2.5 kg, in 1 rupees 1.6 kg, in 1 rupees 1 kg, and in 2002 this is in 1 rupees 2 kg. It means the rate is increasing. In 2012 in 1 rupees the product is 4 kg. Now in 2023 decreased to 2.5 kg and it decreased to 2 kg. It means the rate is increasing. Here also in 2022 B product in 1 rupees 2 kg we can got, now 1.6 kg, now 1.25 kg. Similarly C product in 2022 we are having 1 rupees kg, 1 kg in 1 rupees. Againly in 2023 also 1 rupees in 1 kg, and but in 2024 we are having only 0.8 kg in 1 rupees. So in such kind of the condition is over there. If question is over there, the student have got confused how to solve this index number. So it's very easy. We are solving this question. So firstly we will take the price. So I am having 2022, 2023 and 2024. These years price relative, price relative, price relative index. Okay, here firstly we will say, suppose a product are A product, B product and C product. Average price here we will लेंगे average price. Firstly we will write the price of all items to get the index number of this. So I make this table year 2022 price and relatives, 2023 price and relative, 2024 price is relative. Okay. Now the okay. Now A product in 2002 in 2022, that product can be purchased. That product can be purchased 1 rupees 4 in 1 rupees 4 kg is over there. So for 100 kg we are having in quintals. So for 100 kg, 100 divided by 4, that is it meant 25 rupees per quintal. Okay, so this product A product is 25 rupees per quintal. 2023 A product is 2.5. So 100 divided by 2.5, that is rate is 40 rupees kg. Third 50 rupees kg. So first you learn how to calculate this. What I have done in 1 rupees 4 kg. So 100 divided 4, that is 25. Then 100 divided by 2.5, that is 40. Then 100 divided by 2, that is 50. I have got this price. Now second, 100 divided by 2 for B product. For B product, first 100 divided by 2 is 50. So this price is 50. 100 divided by 1.6. So we are having price of 100 kg. So 100 divided by 1.6, that is 62.5. Okay. Third one, 100 divided 62.5. 100 divided by 1.25, maybe 80. So 100 divided by 1.25, so it is 80. So got the price of 80. Third one, 100 divided by 1, that is 100. 100 divided by 1, that is also 100. And 100 divided by 0.8. 100 divided by 0.8. 120 rupees per 100 kg. So this is price of the 100 kg. In 1 rupees we are having 4 kg. It means in 25 rupees we will having 100 kg of product. In 1 rupees 1 kg, so 100 rupees 100 kg. In 1 rupees 2 kg is 100 rupees 50 kg. In 1 rupees 1.6 kg, so 100 rupees 62.5 kg. It means this is the price of 100 kg. It means 1 rupees having 4, it means in 25 rupees we are having 100 kg. In 1 rupees 1 kg, so in 100 rupees we are having 100 kg. In 1 rupees 1.6 kg, it means 62.5 rupees we are having 1 kg, 100 kg. In 1 rupees the product is 1.25 kg, so in 80 rupees we are having 100 kg. So these all price I have changed in 100 kg. First, it's very important. So what I have done, price, I have written price per ton. Okay. So the very first I have okay. Now we have to take the average price. It means 25 plus 40 plus 50. First average price is 25 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 3. So first average price 25 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 3, that is 38 rupees. So first average price will be having 38 rupees. Second, 50 plus 62.5 plus 80 divided by 3. So second average price we have calculate 50 plus 62.5 plus 80 divided by 3. 64.167. 64.167. So second average price is 64.167. Okay. Third is 325. Third is 325 divided by 3. 100 plus 100 plus 125. 325 divided by 3. 325 divided by 3. So third price is 108.33. So 108.33. So 108.33. Okay. So the very first we have changed these price into per ton. So this is per ton price, 25 rupees per ton, 40 rupees per ton, 50 rupees per ton, 50 rupees per ton, 62 rupees 0.5 per ton. Now we get the average of A. So 25 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 3, 50 plus 62.5 plus 80 divided by 3, this 100 plus 100 plus 120 divided by 3. Now we have told that taking the average price, find the index number. Okay. So for getting the relatives, we are having 25, first one, 25 divided by 38 multiplied by 100 for getting this relative. So 38 is our base price. 25 divided by 38 multiplied by 100, that is 65.79. 65.79. What have done? This. Now 40 divided by 38 multiplied by 100. So 40 divided by 38 multiplied by 100, that is 105.26. 105.26. So this is 105.26. Last, 50 divided by 38 multiplied by 100. Similarly 131.57. 131.57. We will get these. Firstly, we have got 38.3. First one is 25, second one is 40 and third one is 50. Firstly 25 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 3. So 38.33. Okay. So 38.33 is first. So 25 divided 38.33 multiplied by 100, 65.21. Okay. Next one, 40 divided by 38.20, 104.34, 104.4. And last one, 50 divided by 38.33 multiplied by 100, that is 103.4, 130.4. Okay, 130.4 or 5, no problem at all. Next one, for getting next, that is 64.167. 64.167 we can write 64.2 for calculation, no problem. In this also we are having 1 3. Okay, so first one 64.2, 50 divided by 64.2 multiplied by 100, 77.8, 77.9. What we have done, 50 divided by 64.2 multiplied by 100, that is 77.9. Againly 62.5 divided 64.2 multiplied by 100. So 62.5 divided this multiplied by 100, 97.35. So that will be 97.3. Okay, 97.3. Next 80 divided by this multiplied by 100, so 124.6. 124.6. Like this you have to calculate the relatives. Next one, 108.3 is the base. 108.3. Okay, 100 divided 108.3 multiplied by 100, that is 92.3. So this will be 92.3 and this will be also 92.3. How we calculate it? That 100 divided by 108.3 multiplied by 100, that is 92.3 in both. 125 divided by 108.3 multiplied by 100. So calculation is 125 divided by 108.3 multiplied by 100, that is 115.4. 115.4. 115.4. So we have calculated the relatives of all. Now for getting the index number, we will add these relatives for 2022, for 2023 and 2024. So addition of these relatives, that is 65.2 plus 77.9 plus 92.3. So 235.4. Getting the relatives, addition. Next 104.4 plus 97.3 plus 92.3. So this addition is 294. 130.4 plus 124.6 plus 115.4. So addition is againly 130.4 plus 124.6 plus 115.4, 370.4. For index number, divided by 3, we will divide this with 3. So this is 235.4 divided by 3. Okay, 235.4 divided by 3. 235.4 divided by 3. So first index is 78.4. First index will be 78.4. Second 294. 294 divided by 3, that is 98. 370.4 divided by 3, that is 123.5. So with the help of this, we can calculate the average price index. What we have done, firstly we have changed price in per ton, then taking the average, adding this and taking average, or this treated at 100 for getting the relatives. Average price, this we have treated as 100. So 25 divided by 38.3 multiplied by 100, 40 divided by 38.3 multiplied by 100. Then we have added for 2022 all the relatives addition is 235.4, and 2023 all the addition of all the relatives is this, and getting this we are having the simple average of this. So this is the index number for 2022, this is the index number of 2023, and this is 2024. So with this method we can calculate the price relatives for the simple price relatives over there. So I think with the help of this video you may be learn, if such kind of the question is over there, you can easily calculate the average price index over there. Thank you once again.